set a red line when it indicated that in a piece of legislation entitled the Syria Accountability Act that some of the horrendous things that are happening on the ground there need to be answered for.
Grow more pronounced as we are confronted with states that are fragile or failing. Places where horrendous violence can put innocent men, women, and children at risk with no hope of protection from their national institutions.
Take a stab first at the Syria question. We still have a horrendous situation on the ground in Syria.